This video is all about centralized user and device management on vMeasure Forge. If you are a warehouse manager, then this video is for you. You will see 5 key features of vMeasure Forge and how it will benefit your operations. First, we will explore how vMeasure Forge offers a centralized console, allowing you to manage devices and users across various locations. Next, dwell into the Systems menu where you can access in-depth details of each device, ensuring timely renewals and uninterrupted service. We will then navigate to the Users menu, showcasing how you can view users' details, assign system pins, and manage device access controls. Discover the ease of seamless configuration with Config Group, where you can encapsulate workflows, webhooks, and file hooks effortlessly. Lastly, I will demonstrate how you can deploy workflows and set up custom API endpoints directly from the console, bypassing device handling. Assume you have one warehouse site in New York and one in Los Angeles. Go on to assume that each site has deployed 20 vMeasure devices. So that's a total of 40 devices. There would be operators for each of the 40 devices and a single point of contact for a group of operators. In short, there will be many users of vMeasure. So, how can you manage all the devices and all the users from a unified console? vMeasure Forge can make that happen for you, and that's what I'm about to show you in this video. vMeasure Forge allows you to manage multiple devices spread across geographical locations from a unified console. You can create sites, users, and map those users to a specific site. Here are the 3 menus that you will be using: Systems, Users, and Site. In the System menu, you will find the list of systems, their configuration, and the site they belong to. Most importantly, this page includes the subscription status of each device along with the expiration date. This allows the warehouse manager to promptly renew the subscription and ensure continued uptime of the vMeasure devices. If you want to look at all kinds of device users, then head to the Users menu, and here you will find the user detail and their status. You can also add a system pin to control unauthorized access to vMeasure devices. The best part about vMeasure Forge is that you can assign workflows, webhooks, and file hooks to devices using minimal effort. All you must do is create a config group with the desired workflows, webhooks, and file hooks. Once you do that, go to the Systems menu, pick a system, click on the Assign Group, select the config group that you want, and press the tick button to confirm the selection. This can be performed across multiple devices without having to create individual configurations for every system. Moreover, you can deploy workflows and customize API endpoints from a single console without touching the devices.